Okay, so this is the 3D printed 62 Fender Stratocaster. I found the model on thingiverse.com. The body is 9 pieces. You can take a look at there. It went through 3 rolls of filament. The hardware and the neck I bought off Amazon. The strings are 9 gauge. I've got them down a half step because I'm afraid the thing might snap in half. The body parts are 25% infill for those of you who are wondering about 3D printing. Total with the filament and all the parts, about $160 went into this thing. Let's see how it sounds. As you can see, I've got a hurt finger, so. It was a decent project to do. I've never put together a guitar before. Can't wait to have my finger healed up so I can actually play.